that. 1, 2, 3. Wait a minute! Bizarro just pinned Rhino! Bizarro just pinned Rhino after a double team maneuver by Mr. Miracle, and what the? Of all people, to pin Rhino, it was Bizarro? And then a side headlock. Takedown by... Oh, Draken just... What was that? The hell was that? What did he just spit out of his mouth on Unstoppable, the World Dominator? Whatever that was, it fell out of his mouth, right into his eyes. Cover 1, 2, 3, and Ron is going to be the second person in the matchup. No, Rhino is going to be the second. Ron is going to be the third. Rhino got eliminated. I forgot about him. Wait a minute, Draken throwing Bizarro in the corner, and Mr. Miracle. And oh, I thought he was gonna go for a bulldog, but seems like a counter. Now Bizarro. Nope. Oh, an uppercut. It's a miracle. Mr. Miracle has lasted this long after that brutal match we had not too long ago. Now Bizarro has a camel clutch locked in on. What is the referee looking at? He's not even anywhere near the action. I tell you, these referees these days. Oh no. Drops him on his back. Kick to the leg. And then a neck breaker. And a bulldog. And Bizarro Hangman's neck breaker. Not as bad as the rest of the Hangman's neck breakers that I've seen. In a minute. Dr. Draken from behind on Bizarro takes him down. Mr. Miracle is groggy. Oh, what a wheel kick out of nowhere! Wait a minute, he picked up Bizarro and then went right after Mr. Miracle. And another wheel kick, this time to Dr. Draken. Draken punches him off. Drop toe, kick to the face and then a drop kick. Why did I say drop toe hold? I'm messing up like crazy here tonight. And now Mr. Miracle and double team. Oh, and a kick to the gut. And now Bizarro cover on Draken 1, 2, 3. Draken's eliminated. Now it's down to Mr. Miracle and Bizarro. Kick to the gut. Right hand. On an elbow. Right hand, another right hand. Another right hand, drop kick. Right hand. On an arm drag. Cover. 1. No, Mr. Miracle kicked out at 1. Now that's what you call a real miracle there. Then he spins him around. Wait a minute! Bizarro caught her in a DDT! Which Bizarro uses a lot. And he's gonna end this match on a DDT. It's over. 1, 2, 3. Bizarro's won. Bizarro is gonna be the last person to enter. Wait a minute, the lights go out. The hell? Bizarro is celebrating with
the majestic queen of the OZ had 2 lovely daughters, she. One to darkness, she be drawn, and one to light, she be shown. Double eclipse, it is foreseen, light meets dark in the stillness between. But only one, and one alone, shall hold the emerald and take the throne. Only one, and one